I made over $10,000 dropshipping in 2023, and in this video, I'm going to show you guys exactly how I did it. My goal with this video is not to brag or boast about the results that I achieved, but instead it's to inspire you guys and give you guys some ideas about how to make your first $10,000 online in 2024. I used 3 different methods to generate over $10,000, and in this video, I'm going to be detailing each method and exactly how I did it. Thank you guys so much for all the support on the channel recently. We just passed 3,500 subscribers, and the channel is only growing. If you haven't already, make sure to go down below and hit subscribe and drop a like on this video if you enjoy. And without further ado, let's get right into the video. So the first business that I started in 2023 was a small dropshipping store by the name of OloLock. It was a Touch ID lock brand, and all I did was repost content from TikTok to Instagram Reels. I started this business with $0, and I never had to pay for anything along the way. And the only thing I had to pay for was the domain name, which I got for 99 cents using a .store domain name, which you can get in the link below. As you guys can see, we've got a bunch of videos here on the account. All I did was basically repost TikToks onto Instagram Reels, and one of them ended up getting about 4 million views. So here's the video.
No more kids in my room.
It's a super simple video and nothing crazy happens. The hook is no more kids in my room, and it just got full of comments and just engagement. As you guys can see, it got 103,000 likes with 4 million views, and this was my best performing video. Here's the account that I used to promote the brand. Basically what I did was took their videos and downloaded them without the watermark, and I just re-uploaded them to my Instagram account under a different brand name. Literally anyone can do this, and it's absolutely the easiest way to start dropshipping. So if you have $0 to your name, this is the method I would recommend. With 4 million views on this video, I was able to generate over $500 in sales in a little bit less than a week. The average order value was actually $70 since this product was so expensive, and this was my first taste of some dropshipping money. The next business I started in 2023 is this right here. It's a dropshipping brand selling pheromone perfume for women. This product was trending around early 2023, and I decided to hop on the wave and start selling it with Snapchat ads. The hardest part about this product was finding a good creative. I scrolled through TikTok Made Me Buy It for hours and hours, and I honestly just couldn't find anything good. To be honest, I probably spent over 5 hours scrolling through TikTok Made Me Buy It to find 0 winning products. So if you don't want to make the same mistake that I did, I would highly recommend using the AutoDS TikTok Spy. If you're tired of wasting time scrolling through TikTok Made Me Buy It, the AutoDS Winning Product Spy is the tool for you. It allows you to scroll through TikToks with minimal effort. And at the top here, you can filter everything by the like count, the impressions, the interactions, and even the source. It's really cool that they allow you to target organic ads so that you can spy on other TikTok organic pages. The best part about AutoDS is it's not just a spy tool. They also allow you to directly integrate your product into your website with just a click. Say for example, I wanted to sell this digital picture frame. All I would have to do is go on AutoDS and import it directly into my Shopify store. From there, they fulfill all the products from their warehouse, and they even give your customers the tracking numbers, so you really don't have to worry about order fulfillment or honestly the back end of your store in general. Stay ahead of the competition by leveraging the power of AutoDS. I'm going to leave a link in the description for AutoDS for anyone who's interested. You can get a 30-day free trial, and I highly recommend you check it out. So like I said, after hours of scrolling on TikTok Made Me Buy It, I didn't know about AutoDS at the time, but eventually I found this account using my burner method, and this is the creative that I ran for the pheromone.
No idea how it works, but when I put it on, men are instantly attracted to me. I put this on before I went out yesterday, and I had so many guys approaching me. Magic. It's magic in a bottle. And I can't believe it's only $1.
So as you guys can see, the product was only $1. This is exactly why this store was so profitable. I was selling this for $1 plus $15 shipping, and the product only cost me $3. So that was a 5x markup, and I was actually able to make a pretty good profit on this store. I decided to run it with Snapchat ads because it's the cheapest advertising option, and it's really beginner friendly since I'd never ran ads before. I ended up spending over $1,800 in a little bit less than a week, actually about 4 days, and I generated 568,000 paid impressions, 8,000 clicks, and I had a 1.5% click-through rate, which isn't bad. The problem with this store though is that I wasn't able to scale it up any higher because, as you can see here, the ads got rejected, which meant that I wasn't able to run this store any longer. I made another Snapchat ad account and tried running the same creative, but it got banned instantly because Snapchat knew the video that I was trying to run. In the end though, I ended up making almost $4,000. As you can see, this was my lock screen. Here's one of the final screenshots from the store, $3,700. And here's another one, $3,720. Over the course of about 4 days. So that's about it for my Snapchat dropshipping business. Let's move on to the last way that I was able to generate so much money in 2024. So the final business that I started in 2023 was TikTok Shop Affiliate. I started doing this just a few months ago and I was able to make over $5,000 pretty quickly with this method. It's really beginner friendly and it doesn't take any money to get started. So here's what I was doing. Here's one of the videos that I made. It's basically just me showing the product off on Amazon and talking about why it's a great deal. At the end of the video, I show where you can get it in the TikTok shop link and promote it to the audience. Pretty much every single video on this page was exactly the same. My big 3 products were the Rise protein powder, this little stair stepper, and this baby carrier. I actually have a friend who made over $400,000 selling this exact baby carrier, which is absolutely crazy. I wish I hopped on this method earlier, but it ended up making me a decent amount of money. As you guys can see, I generated over $3,600 in a little bit less than a month. I did a custom filter here just so I could get all the revenue on the screenshot, but the total time I ran this page was a little bit less than 2 weeks. The problem though is that I got banned from using those Amazon videos because I didn't actually have the product in hand when I was making the videos. So I set up another account and started again. On this page, I generated over $2,000 by making the same exact type of videos with the exact same format. And again, I got banned for not actually owning the product and for filming my screen of the Amazon listing. So I decided to shut down my TikTok shop deals and focus more on other businesses. This was a great opportunity, but it's a little bit finicky with TikTok's policies. It's pretty difficult to not get banned, but if you're a beginner starting out, TikTok shop affiliate is definitely a great option. So there you guys have it. Those were the 3 businesses that generated me over $10,000 in 2023. So if you guys learned something in this video, please go down below and drop a like. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll catch you in the next one. See you.